In the vibrant landscape of India's infrastructure development story, few tales are as inspiring as that of Dhruv Consultancy Limited. From a modest 200 square feet office, the company embarked on an ambitious journey to imagine, design, and deliver world-class infrastructure projects from India to the world. Today, as a proud publicly listed company, Dhruv Consultancy stands tall among India's premier infrastructure consultants, shaping the future with a rare blend of technical excellence, entrepreneurial spirit, and deep-rooted integrity. The journey began in 2003 when Pandurang B. Dandavate founded Dhruv Consultancy Services Limited with a simple but profound dream to contribute meaningfully to India's development story. Supported closely by his brother Sandeep, Pandurang laid the foundations of an organization rooted in quality, perseverance, and purpose. With limited resources but an abundance of determination, Dhruv Consultancy slowly built its foundation project by project, nurturing a deep commitment to professionalism. For over a decade, growth was steady but modest, as the company steadily earned trust across government and private sector clients. The real inflection point came around 2014-2015, as India entered a new era of infrastructure-led growth. It was during this time that Tanvi Auti took over the reins as Managing Director, representing a new generation of leadership. A woman leading in the male-dominated world of hardcore civil engineering was not just rare, it was revolutionary. But Tanvi never treated it as an obstacle. She embraced the role by nurturing a culture built on trust, merit, and integrity. Her leadership style, rooted in empathy, patience, and empowering others, created a unique organizational culture where people thrived and stayed committed for the long term.
From 12 crores or 10 to 12 crores to almost 100 crores now, the journey has been possible only because of the employees that we have today. I take very pride in saying that the people who were there with me in 2003 are still there in the company today. 80% of my corporate office staff, it's for them it's their first job, and they're still working for the last 10-15 years, and they plan to retire from here itself. So we see in today's generation that people want faster money, people want faster growth, they just switch jobs like this. But the culture which our chairman has built over these years, by not just taking or hiring people from Mumbai or Pune, and instead of focusing only on competency, he has focused on commitment towards the company, integrity towards the company.
A standout element of Dhruv's journey has been its approach to hiring, giving opportunities to talent from Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns across India, often grooming first-generation engineers into confident leaders. Many who joined the company in its early years continue to be the pillars of Dhruv today, some even rising to second and third lines of leadership. A strong sense of ownership, family-like bonding, and purpose-driven growth define the internal culture. Today, Dhruv Consultancy is a name synonymous with world-class project delivery. Among its proudest milestones is the Mumbai-Pune Expressway Missing Link project, a marvel that involved designing tunnels underneath the Lonavala Lake and constructing a massive viaduct bridging valleys. At a time when aerial surveys using drones were almost unheard of, Dhruv took bold steps to pioneer new methods and match international benchmarks. Equally noteworthy is Dhruv's contribution as a supervision consultant for the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, the first 8-lane expressway project of its scale in India. By enabling faster movement between India's political and financial capitals, the project is poised to significantly boost the country's economic dynamism. Other landmark assignments include the Raipur-Vishakhapatnam Expressway, Delhi-Dehradun Expressway, Bangalore-Vijayawada Expressway, and the Ganga Expressway. one of India's most ambitious greenfield projects. Dhruv also played a heartfelt role in projects like the Palki Marg. In projects like the Palki Marg, infrastructure designed specifically to support thousands of pilgrims walking annually towards Pandharpur, blending infrastructure development with cultural preservation. The emotional satisfaction derived from such assignments goes far beyond commercial success and remains deeply woven into the company's ethos.
One more project that is very close to us is the Palki Marg, from Patas to I think in Patas, Baramati, Indapur and Pandharpur section. So Pandharpur is a very religious holy place, and our roots are from Pandharpur. So this project has been very close to our heart because it's a 4-lane road but expanded into a Palki Marg, so actually a 6-lane road. So these Palkis, the Tukaram Maharaj Palki and the Jnaneshwar Maharaj Palki, this has been going on since generation. So one Palki is from Alandi to Pandharpur and one from Patas to Pandharpur. So hundreds and thousands of pilgrims every year, they walk on the roads, and they were not being given basic facilities while walking through these roads, but the comments or the appreciation that we received from them gives us immense satisfaction. So we not just build or create infrastructure for not just the development of the economy, but to reach each and every public, or make a difference to each and every life that is there and traveling through these roads. And it will not be very far that tomorrow India's road network also will become world class and one of the top 3, and it will be counted as one of the top 3 road networks when it comes to highway infrastructure.
Beyond highways, Dhruv is now leaving its footprints, feasibility studies, detailed project reports, project management consultancy, asset management, technical audits, and lenders engineering. In keeping with its vision to build globally competitive assets, Dhruv Consultancy has invested heavily in technology adoption, transitioning from traditional manual processes to CAD-based Indian design software, SAP for accounting, and real-time ERP integration for project monitoring. The company is fully geared to lead in an AI-driven future. Its commitment to Indian software solutions also reflects its deep belief in supporting homegrown technological excellence. As a publicly listed entity, Dhruv embraces the highest standards of corporate governance, transparency, and accountability. The responsibility towards stakeholders, clients, employees, shareholders, and society at large is a cornerstone of how the company operates every day. Looking ahead, Dhruv Consultancy's ambitions are expansive and clear. The company aims to replicate its highway sector leadership into 5 more sectors: railways, metros, ports, airports, and urban infrastructure within India by 2030.
The success that we have had in the highway sector by first working small, by taking small projects in the private sector, then going to state government, then going to central government, working with a few big contract houses. This entire replication, we now plan to do it in 5 other sectors, namely the railways, the metros, ports, airports, and urban infrastructure. Also public health engineering. Water is going to be a big scarcity going forward. So there are a lot of river linking projects, inland waterway transports, then irrigation projects happening, wastewater, water supply, treatment plants being developed. That is going to be the need of the hour tomorrow.
Beyond national boundaries, Dhruv is building its presence across Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, and Central Asia, contributing to infrastructure development in emerging and developing economies through World Bank, ADB, JICA, and other multilateral funded projects. Through its journey, Dhruv Consultancy is redefining what Indian companies can achieve, proving that world-class assets can be imagined, engineered, and delivered from Indian soil with Indian talent and Indian spirit, building world-class assets from India. This is not just Dhruv Consultancy's ambition. It is their everyday reality, their proud commitment, and the legacy they are determined to leave behind for the world.